We need to talk about your balls. Are they smooth? Or covered in bits of annoying fluff? These are my balls. See how they glisten in the light? Your balls are like these. But you gotta use the right tools for the job. This? No. This? No. This! If that's what you're into. Balls are delicate, sensitive, easy to damage. Someone's taken a chunk out of that one. That's why I use the Lawnmower 4.0. It's got skin-safe technology with a replaceable ceramic blade, so you can trim with confidence. It's got LED lights, so you can always see what you're doing. Lights, please! And what's more, it's got a wireless charging system and it's waterproof. You can even drop it in your pint. You wouldn't want to drink it, though. It's got pubes in it. The Manscaped Lawnmower is trusted by over 2 million men worldwide. That's over 4 million balls. So it's time you join them and use the right tools for the job. Because when it comes to balls, don't muck about.
Go to manscaped.com and check out the all-new Lawnmower 4.0 and receive free shipping.